This is the place where you can use things like Google Ads, or you can use Facebook ads. This is the place where you want to do that special offer, where you have that product available, we have that event happening, we have that discounted service offering, where you've got something that you want to put in front of the buyer to actually engage and connect with you, and you want to create a push off the fence or a call to action. So people know you exist, top of funnel. They've seen you frequently, they start to believe in your brand. And now you say, we know it's December, you might need a renovation, you might need to paint your house. Book us now and save 30%. Or book us now and you'll get the product delivered for free. Now you want to create a post in Facebook, a Google ad that brings the viewer into a landing page where you have the product, where you actually sell the product and talk about the product or the service in detail, the benefits, why you're the right choice for that service, where you put the cost and a checkout if it's e-commerce, or you put a form to create a lead to say, please come see me, I want to get the service from you. That's bottom of funnel. That's conversion.